Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box.
You can raise the vent to the on position by starting your car and pushing the recirculating air button. Open the filter housing by unlatching the clip.
Remove the old filters.
Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Install the first filter and push it all the way to the right to make room for the other. Insert the other filter into the housing, and then make sure that both filters are completely flushed. Reclip the housing door.
Press the recirculate air button once more to lower the vent. Once the vent is completely closed, you can turn off your vehicle. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure to the base sides will have it click into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.